Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video, let's talk about how to debug a JavaScript code inside a Visual Studio. So let's start. First of all, open your Visual Studio. Once you open your Visual Studio, create a project or open an existing one. So in my case, I have this web application which has one JavaScript file called as site.js. I have one small JavaScript code here. You can see over here. Now to debug this JavaScript code, put a breakpoint over here. Once you put breakpoint over here, now go to the tools option. Now select options. Now go to the debugging and click on the general option. Now scroll down and search for enable JavaScript debugging. And over here you can see I have already selected this option. Now select this option and click on OK. Once you click on OK, now run your application by pressing the key F5 or click on this icon. Now wait for some time. And over here you can see the debugger will stop at the breakpoint. Now you can use the key F10 to debug the code line by line, or you can use the other options such as step into, step out by using the keys such as F11. You can use the key F10. So F10 key will be used to debug your code line by line. Now press F10 and over here you can see we can debug the code line by line. That's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.